Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a really pretty soft pink look that's perfect for Valentine's Day or any other time of the year. Honestly, this look is so quick and easy to achieve. You can rock this all year round, spring, summer, winter, fall, whenever you want. It's really soft and romantic and fresh, and I love how it turned out, and I hope that you guys do as well. And if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Fairy Lights shadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Gleaming. I'm first going to start off by packing this shadow onto my lid. I'm now going into Radiant. Now with my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm first tapping this into my crease. I just find that by tapping it, I get a little bit more intensity from the shadow. And then I'm going to start doing circular motions to start blending this out. And what I'm going to keep doing is doing those same steps of packing on that shadow and then blending it out. Because it's such a pale pink, it's just going to need a little bit of help to kind of get more intense. I'm going into the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in Froze. So I'm going to start packing this on over top of my lid. I know that I applied Gleaming first, but I like that this shadow has a little bit more gold in it. And now picking up Gleam and applying that over top just to add a little bit more of that pink now. I like layering shadows because it adds a little bit of an extra dimension. It's kind of like you're creating your own shadow, so it looks really cool. And then just take your brush and lightly blend right in between your crease and lid so everything blends nicely together. I'm now going to mix Luminous and Darling. I mixed those two shades and I'm picking that up on my Sigma F70 concealer brush and applying that on my inner corner. To line my waterline, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. Now lining just my upper waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to the Carity 3D Foam Ink Lashes in Jamie. And that's the eye look done. Now moving on to my lips, also want to keep them nice and pink and soft, and I'm going to the NYX Lip Pencil in Nude Pink. I'm first going to line my lips. This shade is very similar to my lip shade, so I'm going to lightly fill in my lips with it. So because the whole look is very soft, I'm keeping the lips really close to my natural lip shade, so it's kind of like the perfect pink nude. And now just to top it off with a gloss to make my lips look nice and juicy, perfect for Valentine's Day, I'm going to go into the Ofra lip gloss in Golden Rose. The name is perfect because it matches my eyes perfectly. And that is it. This is the completed look of my soft pink Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm honestly in love with this technique of having the lower lash line bare without any shadow. It just makes the whole look so nice and fresh. And I told you guys I'm still obsessing over pastel looks. I love that pastel kind of periwinkle purple lilac look that I did. And I'm so in love with this really pretty soft pastel pink. So I hope that you guys are as well. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brushes with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!